Welcome to our exploration of the future of farming, a revolutionary integrated farm shed that combines the rearing of goats, poultry, fish, or vermicompost. This innovative structure redefines sustainable farming practices, maximizing efficiency and waste management. Let's delve into the intricacies of this cutting-edge farm shed. Shed's design and layout. This integrated farm shed is ingeniously designed to facilitate multiple farming activities under one roof. On the first floor, goats and sheep are raised alongside poultry farming. To streamline waste management, a clever slope prevents goat droppings from reaching the poultry layer below. Waste management process. The poultry bird droppings are efficiently managed as part of the waste management process. This high-tech farm optimizes the utilization of resources, ensuring a sustainable farming environment. Ground floor farming activities. On the ground floor, an ingenious system is at play. Fish rearing takes center stage, capitalizing on the droppings from both goats and poultry that naturally fall into the fish pond below. Fish farming. Water irrigation to agricultural plants. To maintain pristine water conditions for the fish, the water from the ponds is ingeniously irrigated to nourish agricultural plants, creating a closed-loop system that benefits multiple farming endeavors. Vermicompost production. Another remarkable feature of this integrated shed is the incorporation of vermicompost farming. The goat and poultry droppings seamlessly contribute to the vermicompost making process, ensuring efficient recycling of waste into nutrient-rich compost. Vermicompost making process. This structure, although requiring substantial investment, offers an exemplary model of sustainable farming practices. Proper ventilation and waste management are pivotal, ensuring the success of this integrated system. Conclusion. As we conclude our journey through this futuristic integrated farm shed, we witness the harmonious integration of livestock, poultry, fish, and vermicompost farming. This innovative approach not only maximizes resource utilization but also exemplifies the possibilities of sustainable agriculture. Thank you for joining us on this visionary tour. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content on agriculture.